Hello everyone, welcome back. If we've never met before, I'm Brianna. I do lots of makeup, glam, drag, everything, so subscribe. Today I'll be playing with the Megan Thee Stallion and Revlon collab. And I wanted to actually try out her routine because she did like a get ready with me video. She's the new ambassador, so they sent everyone a little PR gift of all Megan's favorites. And for one, Meg is just a superstar and so deserving of a position like this. It's so exciting and I can't wait to see what else they do. Like, bigger than makeup, Megan's known for like her presence, her energy. She's beautiful, but her music and everything that she embodies is so powerful. And we all want to feel that way. So let's see if the makeup does that for me. So let's just get into it.
Just to warn y'all, I've never done a makeup tutorial, and the way I do my makeup is not the typical way I feel like a lot of y'all's favorite YouTube makeup artists be doing their stuff. So just bear with me, okay? And I'm gonna teach y'all some tricks y'all didn't even think of. I never really know what I'm about to come do to my face, but we just kind of go as we go. Brown first.
So she's gonna start off with the Maverick palette.
You gotta have a little brown. Now put it.
Add some brown. I'm gonna prime my eye.
Like in the crease and a little bit above the crease. And this makeup right here, easy peasy lemon squeezy.
She didn't really show what brown color she used, but at the end, those are the only two like darker matte browns. So I'm gonna mix them.
I usually have my anime playing in the background, but y'all are making me so nervous. I feel like I have to pay attention.
And maybe I've already mentioned in like the intro, but I think this collaboration between Meg and Revlon is so smart. I think to a lot of people, Revlon is one of those classic brands like a MAC that are just known by everyone, but they're not what you think of when it comes to like always being trendy like a lot of makeup nowadays is. Honestly, their product, it still stands, all the colors stay stuck, everything kind of gets its shine in this collaboration. And Meg like is so influential and she deserves to have her moment when it comes to like brand collaborations and not people taking advantage of her. Like when it was Hot Girl Summer, all these weird companies were like taking advantage and it wasn't like an official collaboration. So I'm glad to see her getting this moment. I was so excited that they sent me this package because when they did this first tutorial, I went to Walmart. I couldn't find like her lip products that she uses, so they sent over that cute PR package and I'm just very excited. I didn't even set my base and you can see how good the shadows look. But yeah, Meg said just keep blending. I don't know, I'm not a shadow person, but this is really easy. I'm getting better with eyeshadow. I'm just not putting a whole lot of pressure so it can blend easier, and yeah, the shadows look good. So let's see what else she's doing.
Brown on that eye. Then you want to come right. You did the top, so guess what you're gonna do to the bottom? That same thing.
So I'm just gonna keep blending this, but she kind of uses like a wing shape for my eye space. I definitely pull it up pretty high just so I can get some shape going, that when I take photos like it's not disappearing. So yeah, I guess I'm back on YouTube. Took a break. I said I'd be back, but something in me, I kind of knew the world was ending, but let me not. And she's adding color onto the bottom, which I'm not going to yet since I don't have my base on.
This one is called Player, like me. We're gonna film.
And I feel like she takes the shimmer
in your crease. Alright. You learn as you go. Sometimes you gotta mess up. But as long as you can blend.
It's scaring me, but yeah, I'll just take that navy over top.
I be blending it a little bit, like up into the brown. I don't know if this has anything to do with anything, but some kind of way my eyes always come out kind of like a cat eye. And maybe it's the way that I blend out the makeup. I don't know, but we get it.
So yeah, she takes that blue over the darker part of the crease, which creates really like a grayish color. Like she mentioned, she uses like a wing shape, so I'm gonna focus that more out here on the outer part of my eye. And then I have the opposite side of this brush, which is clean, so I'll just like softly drag it out. It doesn't look bad. And yeah, maybe I'm thinking I want to start doing more videos like this. And I think for me, like growing up, the most like exciting part about like the way we consumed makeup was like when you hear like the celebrity secrets and like their techniques from like their makeup artists, excerpt from like E! News or something. So with the rise of like all these get ready with me videos from celebrities and all that, I think it's fun to get a look into the routine. I don't know if you've all seen Grimes, her Vogue get ready with me. It was so chaotic and like so fun. I'm like, yeah, I want to do that one. So let me know if there's any in particular you want to do. I can make promises about what I'm making in the future on this channel, just because God, like in this day and age, makeup seems like the least of like what we need to focus on. I don't know. I'm stuck in the house anyway, so.
How cute, boo. You gotta give yourself a pep talk halfway through the makeup. You are looking cute. Look at you. Cuter than you thought you were. Boom. You see how that's coming together?
I was seeing some videos, people just kind of doubt products that they grew up with. Like I feel like everyone grew up with like the Revlon stuff. I'm not really a shadow person. I've improved, but I'm not great at it. And this blended out so easy. I think this color palette is super nice for drugstore. A lot of the times it can be a little bit dull. This is like warm tones, not too orange, and there's some like depth. This is a palette I'm like, this is really nice.
Like a little white or something in my brow.
Okay, so now she's brightening her brow bone. This Maverick palette has a nice bone color, and when you set the brow bone, it like snatches your eye up.
Concealer usually cracks under my eyes, so what I do to clean up my makeup and everything is I use just like a lighter foundation. This is the part where you kind of have to do surgery, all right? You have to have a steady hand because you don't want to mess this up.
For cut crease, she actually takes it across her whole eye. I guess I'll do that. I'm gonna try to follow this shape.
I just look down, like, all you men disgust me. Because men mess everything up. Oh my God, you know what's so crazy? I think the color that I'm using is called Player. It's the only way that this will stay. Not wet. So let this dry off a little bit before you go back in. You want to be the shiniest.
So I'm gonna add that blue. I love blue eyeshadow. I kind of fuck up the shadow and crush it up and wet it on my hand.
You want to be the shiniest bitch in the party at all times. Everything shiny. We'll go back in with the dark blue. Recreate my cut crease.
And then next she deepens up right along the cut crease. I'm gonna take that dark brown again from the Player palette.
Yeah, eyeliner. I use liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner is literally my favorite.
She did her wing. They sent with this package the Revlon Color Stay Sharp line. I don't know if that's focusing at all. First impressions for this liner, it was super like fluid and juicy. So yeah, I'd recommend this, the Sharp Line liner. Okay, I just take so damn long, but I did my hair inspired by her hair. The buns were not looking good, so I look like I went to Hot Topic for these. Yeah, I did my whole base on top of the Color Stay foundation, and it's been on for a while and it looks really good.
So I'm about to use hot chocolate to like do the outer parts and all that. I always blend like a bunch of lipstick together. The name of this lipstick is called Untold Stories.
So that's actually really clean. This is like a really smooth matte. That was nice. I was scared about lining with just this. I'm gonna go in with this Maverick deepest brown on the very top. And I've seen a lot of people do this, like Deja Zane, I think is her username, but she's like really good with like TikTok and everything. And she does this. Let me see. So the hot chocolate is a lot more orange tone than I normally go for, but it's definitely gonna blend lighter with the lipstick. And the lipstick she used in the center was Untold Story. I have Bare It All, but similar effect.
Let's go. This is brown gloss.
This is that all blended. Okay. And now with the hot chocolate gloss. This one's Choco Crush. Close enough.
That's the look we wanted, baby. So we used Choco Crush brown gloss over the top. We used Lean In. We leaned in and used Lean in the middle. And you know, you can never have too many glosses. I walk around with about 8 lip glosses in my bag.
They sent me Blissed Out, but the gloss I bought myself was Rose Quartz, and it looks a little bit more like the one she's using.
I mean, you know, I think we did a damn good job. For this to be my first time doing this for y'all, now I'm not saying it just because it's me. Well, that was that. And that is how you do your makeup. I hope I gave you everything you needed, everything you didn't know you needed. And you know, that's all I gotta say. So yeah, that was my first tutorial. Hopefully y'all get better and have better conversation for you next time. But that's all I got. Bye.
So that's the look. That was the video. We love Megan. This look is really, honestly, like, I love the way the shadows look. They were so easy to blend. And the lip, I've never used like that dark of a brown gloss. Never lined with like the powder, and it looks so good. Thank you, Revlon. I mean, this is not sponsored, but for all the goodies, all Megan's favorites to try. So that's everything. And I think I'm gonna give away some Revlon products. I got some extras in PR, so I wanted to share it. It's really tough out there right now, and if I could cheer someone up with some extra makeup, like, why not? So just comment down below your favorite Megan song, and I'll pick one of y'all. Leave your Instagram handle and I can message you there. Make sure to just subscribe, thumbs up, follow me on Instagram. I hope y'all like this. Let me know what you think down below. I'll see you next time.